Nicole, Lee Health, Beauty, and More. I went to my ophthalmologist yesterday, and she spent 2 hours with me for various things. Did a lot of diagnostics and looked at the glands that secrete oil, the meibomian glands. We're working on getting those back to more normal, so the secretions will be, so that I won't have excess liquid coming from my eyes, like when I go outside, especially on the left. And she saw this epiretinal membrane syndrome that she said is especially in my right eye, and I did this little test on I did it in her office, but also if you go to diagnosticeyecare.com, they have this little grid when you scroll down, and in the grid, if you cover each eye and look at the central dot, you can tell of the difference. And when there's wavy lines, that means that there's something going on with the membrane. It's called the epiretinal membrane, ERM, macular pucker. And yeah, I did notice that on the right only. But I didn't see it in her office, but I saw it when I did the test online. She saw it when she looked at my eyes. And it's a cellophane-like membrane that forms over the macular. It's typically a problem that affects vision by causing blurring and distortion. I'm not that old, like 75, but a lot of people are over 75 that actually have the full-blown case of it. So mine's mild, and it can occur for unknown reasons. It might be associated with some diseases like diabetic retinopathy or posterior vitreous detachment, retinal detachment, and trauma, and others. They don't really do anything about it until it gets to the point where it's affecting your vision, which it's not. So once they detect it, they just let it go, and if it gets to where it's affecting your vision, they can do a procedure. It's called a membrane peel under anesthesia, local anesthesia. That's only when the vision is deteriorated to the point that it's impairing my lifestyle. So luckily it's not at that point, and we're just trying to get the glands to work properly so that I might be able